Hello everyone. Welcome back to Digital Learning English class at San Joseph English Medium School, Vijaypur. Dear students, in our previous video, we have learnt about poem number 6, One Thing at a Time. So, today in this video, let's solve the exercises of this poem, One Thing at a Time. Now, we shall move to the exercises of this poem, One Thing at a Time. Let's start. First main question. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. First question. What is the poet trying to teach through the poem? What is the poet trying to teach us through the poem? Answer is, the poet is trying to teach that we should do one thing in a time. The poet is trying to teach us that we should do one thing at a time. Second one. Explain the meaning of things done by halves. Explain the meaning of things done by halves. Answer is, we should complete the task in a hand with all our might and not leave it halfway. Answer is, we should complete the task in hand with all our might and not leave it halfway. Third question. Pick up the words from the poem that tell us do things with all your strength. Pick up the words from the poem that tell us do things with all your strength. Answer is, all that you do, do with your might. All that you do, do with your might. Let's move to the next main question. Pick up the pairs of rhyming words from the poem and write down. What is the second main question? Pick up the pairs of rhyming words from the poem and write it down. What we have to do? We have to pick up the rhyming words from the poem. First one, play, weigh. Well, tell. Might, write. Last one, fourth one, done. This completes second main question. Now move to the third main questions. Make a sentence using the following words. Make a meaningful sentence by using the following words. First one, might. I put all my might to move the furniture. I put all my might to move the furniture. Second word, useful. Useful. Cow is a very useful animal. Cow is a very useful animal. Third one, many. The farmer owns many sheep. The farmer owns many sheep. Fourth one, good. Good. We should always be good children. We should always be good children. Now move to the fourth main question. Rani is watching her favorite cartoon program on television. At the same time, she is learning English for her test. Is this the correct way to study? What is your advice to her? Answer is, what is the question first? Rani is watching her favorite cartoon program on television. At the same time, she is learning English for her test. Is this the correct way to study? What is your advice to her? What we have to do, children? Here Rani is watching her TV channel, TV show, her favorite TV show, and also she is studying for the next class test. Is this the correct way to study? Along with the study, we have to watch the TV? No, no. Along with the study, we should not watch TV. So this is the wrong way. This is the wrong way of study. So what is the right way? What she have to do? Answer is no. What is no? This is not a correct way to study. Then what is correct? What she have to do? This is not a correct way to study. While studying, we should concentrate our mind on studies only, and not anything else. It always better to do one thing at a time rather than doing many things at one time. Rather than doing many things at one time, we should concentrate our mind and body on one point, that is study. We should concentrate on our study. So, we should do always one thing at a time. We should do always one thing at a time. This completes fourth main question. Now move to the activity. Language development. In activity, first main question is match the pairs in column A with their meaning in column B. Match the pairs in column A with their meanings in column B. First one, what we have to do? We have to match the column A word to the column B meaning. Let's start. First one, point of view. Point of view. Answer is opinion. One, point out. Point out. Answer is highlight. Highlight. Third one, point blank. Point blank. Direct at very close range. Direct at very close range. Pointed. Pointed. Sharp. Sharp. Fifth one, pointless. Pointless. Useless. Useless. Sixth one, point a finger. Point a finger. Answer is accuse. Accuse. Next, move to the second main question in activity. Fill in OI. I. Fill in OI. I to complete the spellings. Then read each word loudly. Fill in OI to complete the spellings. Then read each word aloud. First one, point. P-O-I-N-T. Point. Second one, G-O-I-N-T. Joint. What we have to do? In this, we have to add the letter O and I. O-I to complete the spellings. To complete these spellings. First one, P-O-I-N-T, point. Second one, G-O-I-N-T, joint. Third one, G-O-I-N, join. Fourth one, C-O-I-N, coin. Fifth one, R-E-G-O-I, R-E-J-O-I-C-E, rejoice. Sixth one, O-I-N-T-M-E-N-T, ointment. Ointment. Seventh one, H-O-I-S-T, host. Hoist. Eighth one, P-O-I-S-O-N, poison. P-O-I-S-O-N, poison. Ninth one, C-O-I-L, coil. C-O-I-L, coil. Last one, S-O-I-L, soil. S-O-I-L, soil. This completes language development. Next, move to the in activity. Third main question is read the sentence. Read each sentences. Replace the underlined phrases by word with similar meaning from the brackets. Rewrite the sentences. First, what we have to do? We have to write the same meaning which have underlined in this sentence. We have to write the same meaning instead of this word. Okay, let's start. First one, according to my point of view, underlined word is point of view. According to my point of view, Sunil is an honest shopkeeper. According to my opinion, Sunil is an honest shopkeeper. Second answer is according to my opinion. Opinion is the same meaning of the point of view. Point of view same meaning is opinion. We have to write the another same meaning which same meaning for the underlined word. Second answer is according to my opinion, Sunil is an honest shopkeeper. Second one, it is very easy to point out faults of others. It is very easy to point out faults of others. Answer is it is very easy to accuse. It is very easy to accuse others. Third one, do not point a finger at Raj. Do not point a finger at Raj. Answer is do not indicate Raja. Do not indicate Raja. Now, next move to the writing skill. Write any 5 habits that you possess. Write any 5 habits that you possess. First one, reading book. Second one, watching cartoons. Building. Watching cartoons. Third one, brushing teeth twice a day. Brushing teeth twice a day. Fourth one, drawing and coloring. Drawing and coloring. Fifth one, watering the plants. Watering the plants. So, dear children, this completes writing skill. All of you have to write these classworks, these exercises in your English classwork very neatly without any spelling mistakes. In our next video, we will learn about grammar part adjectives. Thank you.